Hi, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jacqueline Lopez, and today I am taking you shopping with me. We are going to the 99-cent only store, and I'm going to show you what they have as part of their spring collection. I will have another video going up shortly that is going to be their Easter collection. Right now, I'm just showing you what they have for spring because they did not disappoint. Look at how beautiful are these modern planters. I should have opened it. I didn't think about that until later, but I'm going to go back and buy one and show you in a haul here pretty soon. A lot of their planters were amazing, and most of them are only 99 cents. They do go all the way up to $5.99, but those are the really big ones. I hope that you like this style of shop with me a little bit better. I am going to come through and do some voiceovers where I want to tell you something, give you an idea, but I am not double speeding this. Hopefully that won't make you dizzy because I get a lot of comments on that. So let me know down below if you like this style better. And let me take this time to remind you, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Hit that notification bell so that you are notified every time that I post a new video. And as always, don't forget to also leave me a comment and share this video. Like I said, they have different planters. Not only do they have these plastic ones, but they also have these like galvanized or metal tins that are double purpose. You can use them for planting, for home decor, or for parties, like that big tub that was under there. Perfect to fill up with ice and drinks. And then they had some of these hanging ones. Later on, I'm going to show you some other metal ones. I do have one of these little bird cages, and if you like it, get it now because next year they're going to be more expensive. I bought mine when it was only $2.49. This year they're $3.49. So if you like it, go ahead and buy one. But I don't know if you could tell that I squished it, and it's not glass. It's actually just like that like see-through paper looking thing. Also, I love these tiny cement planters. They're not tiny, they're small. I did buy two of the ones that I'm going to show you next. Two of these. I'm going to do a DIY with them that I'll be sharing pretty soon as well. These little animal planters are adorable. I love them. They're $1.49. There's a cat, a dog, and a little pig. And now this next item, I know you saw it when I panned around it because it's beautiful. I love the wash that this planter has. I love the greenery that it has. Everything about this is beautiful. They're $2.99, which seems a little expensive for the 99-cent only store. They are perfect for tier trays, and honestly at Target, Walmart, Hobby Lobby, anywhere else you could buy this, it would definitely be more than $3. So it is still worth the price. Get some while they have some if you want any. If you are gnome obsessed, they have you covered. They have different variations and different colors of garden gnomes. I really like them all, but I think these were my favorite because they are the perfect size for tiered trays. They're only $1, and I'm showing you here the size. They are about 3 inches tall, and somebody thankfully laid them out like this so that it was easy for me to show them all to you and record it. Again, they have them doing different things, sitting on top of rocks, sitting on top of turtles. These were so funny. I especially like this one that says "Go away." I may go back and buy that one because it's just hilarious. I tried to see if they had more of the same ones that are about 3 inches tall in different colors, but those are the only 3 variations that they come in. And of course, these cement ones with moss, which I didn't do a good job showing, I'm sorry for that, are definitely some of my favorites as well. This year, they really outdid themselves in this little department of garden gates, garden fences, or metal edging or garden bed edging. I don't know which of all those names they are, but again, they outdid themselves. I love that they brought in different colors, different textures. They even brought the little classic tulip ones. They brought white ones. I most definitely love these metal ones. They're all adorable, and then they have some other ones that have some color inside of them, but these 3 right here I think are my favorite. And here are the other hanging planters that I was talking about. These are $1.99. It has 2 of these little metal tins. I really like these. This one is kind of broken. That's why it looks like it's just hanging off to the side, but it's not. They stand straight. These would be perfect with succulents, herbs, or anything that hangs from it. Oh, I absolutely love these. And they also did have some of these garden fences in wood. I really love these. The prices vary. I think this is the only one that's $149, and then the rest are $199, but they're different than what they had last year. These are great to DIY with if that's what you want to do with them. I don't think you'll be able to get this much material for less than the price that they are. These sheets of florals are great to do DIYs with. Let me know if you want a separate video on different ways that you can use those, because I have some ideas in mind. Anytime these show up on my tier trays or in any of my pictures, I get lots of questions on where they are from. Get them now at the 99-cent only store, and get them soon because they only bring them out for the spring, and they are perfect year-round on any tier tray, any kind of tray that you're styling. A bunch of them on a dough bowl, perfection. Again, just get them while they have them. These are perfect. And you won't be able to get them any cheaper than this, by the way, even if you try to DIY them. I'm going to show you these because I think these are perfect for sitting at sports games that are like in outside bleachers. It gets really hot here in Arizona, so those are perfect. I know they're for gardening, but I'm gonna buy a couple for my son's upcoming basketball games. I love these watering cans. I already have one in white. May go back and get the one in blush pink because it's just too adorable. As you saw, they have a lot of tools and pretty much anything that you'll need for gardening this spring. They have all of these plant saucers. They have them in packs of 4 in this clear color and in the terracotta color. I think the bigger size do come as a pack of 2. And then they had all of these bulbs to choose from. I know Dollar Tree has some, but the variation in colors that these come in, I think are better than Dollar Tree. So I'm definitely going to be getting some of these tulips because I just want them. They're one of my favorite plants. And they had these huge garden bell is what it says on here. Planters, these are huge. These are the $5.99 ones. Get them if you do regular planting, obviously, or if you do fairy gardens. I've seen some done where you break them and then they're like different level fairy gardens for all of those cute fairy garden stuff that they have at the dollar store. I'm sorry, Dollar Tree is what I meant to say. Over on this side, they had even more of these bulbs. Again, more that I just love. I'm going to come back and get some more. Look, they even had onions. But again, the flowers are the cute ones. That's what I'm coming back for. Definitely got some tulips. I'll be growing those and hopefully doing a video soon on that as well because I love tulips. But thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that you enjoyed coming along with me to the 99-cent only store. Again, I'm going to have a video coming up on the Easter stuff. Maybe I'm too late to do Valentine's. Let me know if you still want to see that. Thank you again for watching this video. Subscribe if you haven't already, and you have a very good rest of your day. Bye-bye.